How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight bulbs on your Toyota MR2. I never saw it coming. I couldn't. So first you just want to apply forward pressure to this part that's sticking out, just like this. And then you will remove the two screws on the side. And now the screw on the top left, around the trunk area. And then you just want to pull the tail light housing forward and it'll come off just like this. Now to take out the connectors from the housing, you just want to turn it counterclockwise like this. It's the same for all three bulbs, or four if you have the Zenki tail lights. And that's it. So this is some shots from the taillight out. It looks a little weird. And to remove the bulb from the connectors, you just want to push it in, turn it counterclockwise, and then it'll come right out. And be careful to not touch the bulbs directly because you don't want to get oil on it. And then to put it all back together, you just do the opposite. So you just want to put the bulbs in. You want to put the connectors back just by turning it clockwise. And you want to push the taillight housing back into its position. And then you just screw in the top. And then you screw in the two screws on the side. And then to pop the side panel back in, you want to get the clips at the front of the car in, and you want to be applying forward pressure while you push it in towards the body.